body pon at the door move slow. I was now with the just to make with last few more. Girl, your body hot. Nah lie, but me too cold. Me no care if you're tired as
right now we know.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth. So me are gonna please take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing. Help someone if you can. Yes, man. Blessed Sunday, you know what I mean? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. I like to put another vlog around once. So big up everybody, you know, anyone there, you know, we send all of our love and blessings to you all. So me I say, yes, man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell if you consider doing so. Please remember to click the bell so you always get that alert saying, welcome to the family, welcome to the team. Yes, my lion for to keep it on the back of field. Now, my viewers and subscribers, more this is just a topic I touch on relating to Likkle Addi, Likkle Vybz. Big up, you don't know the fix, Nara Ari. Yes, man, great interview, you know. The fix, they're doing a great job, you know what I mean? Yes, man, they're very sentimental, you know what I mean? Yes, man, so Likkle Addi, Likkle Vybz was on the fix, you see me? And I'm sure a lot of me myself, I'm very impressed, I'm pleased, I'm chuffed, you know what I mean? After you them over them excelled and growth, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, them on the right track, and it's nice to see when the youth them mature that way, they fully focused, you see me? I don't know where I touch on the topic, you know, but we are forward back after the break. You see what I say?
Yeah, man.
From now on, I'm gonna settle down. No more, I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well left me, but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around, baby. From now on, I'm gonna settle down. Yes, man, welcome back. Thanks for staying if you're still here. You don't know, I'm a change man. That's my single that said. And we're gonna please go check it out. We have a visual drop soon, you know what I mean? So we got the man and we are second long now, we are change, you know what I mean? Yes. So you don't know, I'm a change man. It's available on all digital platform, produced by Poor People Production. I don't know how my independent label that. You see me I say? Yes, man. So now my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, Likkle Vybz, Likkle Addi was on the fix, and the man them interview was so cool, calm, and you know, inspiring, motivating, you know what I mean? Yes, man. The way them conduct themselves in a proper manner, very professional manner, you know what I mean? Inspiring manner. Because I feel inspired by the youth them. You see me? And the man them talk properly, the vocabulary is up there, you know? Yes, man, and you can see them fully focused. So them touch on a few topics where them a try, them say UTG, Uptown Gaza, you know what I mean? The man them I do them thing. And them try to make the people, them let us all know say right now, even though them born with gold spoon, you know. Them know say oh Kartel, them father, Addi Palmer did it and set it. So, but them don't grow up with that stigma there for people say, yo, I true them father are artists. You know, why them got you so easily musically, them want to do it themselves. And I credit them for that, you know what I mean? If you know say, them a do them thing, them not just want to come up off of Vybz Kartel stigma, Gaza Nation. And them a feed them thing Uptown Gaza, and that the youth them say them a set. You know what I mean? And I try to get it propelled universally. Now the man them have them album drop right now and thing, and them a promote it, and but nah, I feel proud of them still, my viewers and subscribers. So let me know if you how you feel about that. You see me? Because the man them say, oh, them a do them thing, but you don't know Gaza Nation, Kartel film thing. For them thing a UTG, you know what I mean? So them just want growth and learn and set for them thing. And it's good to see the two brothers them do them thing. You see me I say? Them also touch on the topic where Likkle Addi I say, boy, you know, he thought he was a dad, but he not touch on the topic too much, which I think are the right thing him do, but him just make it known and confirm that, you know, the child, you know what I mean, the child is not his, and he's not a father. You know what I mean? I know at that time, age 15, he was elated, excited, you know what I mean, and everybody, boy, the people, them know people business here, man. Remember the whole on the internet, that's a jacket, you know. You see me?
Boy, I mean, I tell you, you play with social media, you know? You have to play with social media. All them, boy, them do really right, the people, them do really right. So, I don't know the girl, we're not going to bash the girl the same way because nobody not perfect. Maybe at the time, she could have, you know, and every girl can stay faithful, worse when they're so young. You see me? Maybe she love Likkle Addi, you know, but she will end up with Gito and the Gito she make she get pregnant and Likkle Addi would feel like him because they must get close while Likkle Addi feel like say him or the father because, you know, maybe him give her his trust and she hurt him, you see me? But we still not gonna bash the girl anyway because I saw it go. As Likkle Addi say, he's not the first and he's not gonna be the last. So nothing wrong with that, but you don't know Likkle Addi, go and hold it, brother. You get a youth in due time, man. You see me I say? Don't run down the youth right now. Just go and focus on your music. And when the right time coming to meet the right girl, like your brother, yes, man, I say a thing. You see me? Yes, man. So, yes, man, my viewers and subscribers. The next thing, when them Naro ask them, you trust Popcaan?
You still not trust Popcaan?
Not trust nobody.
Not trust nobody.
Is it? I wanna follow people.
So that confirmed for sure. So the song when them did sing, when they read that and now we not trust Popcaan.
Version rough up the world, yeah man. Tyrus Riley, I said that one, but man not lie still, man I trust Popcaan.
Something was in the air. There was a feud, there was a riff. Me don't know people just say Popcaan snitch pan Kartel or leak to the police them or something. And so now them confirm that when them sing the song, they mean it. So all they hear Popcaan and say big up Addi. Same way up to this date. Maybe my show got it 2 days because Addi make him Vybz Kartel make him the way him there, you know. But Popcaan knowing himself that him and Kartel never good. And does this reflect? I want to ask my viewers and subscribers, my fans them. Do you think this reflect on the politics what you that say? Or are still convinced your politics what you that say are true? Or I know some people don't believe and some people believe say are true. Politics watch said, you know what I mean? Yes, so but I know what you think. I say my viewers and subscribers, yeah man. Yeah man, cause I'm not seeing the reason why Likkle Addi and Likkle Vybz first say them not trust Popcaan. You see me? I must have reason, I must have father that come off of her, you know? And it must have come from a close or a strong source why them put that in the song because you get me? You know at that time them can't sing certain things unless daddy approve it. Viewers and subscribers, let me know if me right or wrong, you know, or me have a point. You see me I say? Yes man, next thing the youth them talk about, well I should say the young men them talk about their mother Hailey, Short Boss. You see me I say super mother, you know? Yes man, you know Shorty do it. Short Boss music and you know, she did it for them from Addi got incarcerated. That's it. So just a joy if you see the youth them evolved into a young man now and young man and never do them thing and have them own a platform or try to set them own a thing. Even though you know them fed off for them daddy luxury and daddy let's say no inspiration, you know what I mean, and guidance. You see, but them just want to do them thing and that draw my admire and attention about them, you see me? Yes man, so big up Likkle Addi, big up Likkle Vybz, go and do the thing. You see me I say? Yes man, I say viewers and subscribers, I don't know a lion put in another flag and we are do it and we are, you know what I mean, all the Likkle Vybz and our reasoning. Big up everybody, we say equality. More time when you hear my vlog certain way, just know it's a lion foot now, not against nobody. Lion foot art, clean is a real youth. If you get to know me, you see him, he's a humble soul, you see me? Yes man. You see it, so we just have all our vibes and a little reasoning because it's good for our reasoning, I mean. No one name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will have reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Sort out no difference by reasoning, yeah. I remember new trucker forward, I'm Lion in the Jungle. Where basically I tell about one of my experience in 2018. You know, I turned up a Netflix and I was sent to Netflix for an interview from a peer that I had paid the money, you know what I mean, all of the money and some of the things them never fulfill, you know. Sent to Netflix and no interview never book. You see me? To me I say, them say me go one Netflix link, narrow and hurry. Never go alone, me bring white shadow my party. When me turn up, them I tell me say them sorry. I got scam, no interview, no book for me. Me hold my composure, me never let go me hunger. Never send no threat to him because I'm the man of peace. Remember one no weak you hold to make you stronger. I leave everything to God. Me know him not sleep. I just need a chance to prove myself. I know I can do it like Kartel. Doctor said the stress is not good for my health. I try to stay away, but I just can't help myself. Yes, man, everything that the song is just real reality, my experience. You see me? And the reason I mention the song is because you talk about Kartel and Likkle Addi and Likkle Vybz, you know? So I don't know, Kartel did it and is a very inspirational person musically, you see me? Yes, man, so you don't know, big up on yourself. We just need one chance and we can show the world so we can do it to like Kartel, deliver hits per hits. You see me, my viewers and subscribers, big up everybody, you don't know. A lion foot when another vlog, I ready to have another boss now brag. I'm out, not another word out of my mouth. Yes, man, big up on yourself, guidance, protection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.